Hi guys, I'm going to go over the common questions from today's lesson. So I have 3 questions from the quizzes. The first one I'm going to start with, it asks for the angle of rotation counterclockwise for the quadrilateral ABCD about the origin. Okay, so my pre-image is the shape right here in quadrant 1, and we're rotating counterclockwise. So remember your direction. When we go counterclockwise, that direction is like this. All right, so if we're going starting in quadrant 1, if I rotate 90 degrees, that's going to put me over here in quadrant 2. So it's not 90 degrees. Let's keep rotating. If I go 180 degrees, that's going to put me here in quadrant 3. So I'm almost there. I need to rotate 270 degrees to get to my image A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So notice how I took my image and I rotated it through 3 different quadrants. So that means I'm doing 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees. So my final answer is 270, okay? 270 degrees. That's my first question. The next question I have to go over, ask which figure is the image of quadrilateral MNOP rotated 270 degrees. So here's my pre-image. I want to go 270 degrees. So let's go ahead. So 90 degrees puts me in quadrant 4. 180 degrees puts me in quadrant 1. So that means that 270 degrees gives me my image LVWC. That's in quadrant 2. All right, so 270, remember we're rotating through 3 different quadrants. So the answer is LVCW, 270. We got to go through 3 different quadrants. All right, my last question talks about positive and negative integers for translations. So a translation, that's a slide, either left, right, up, down. So remember the rule for a translation. The rule says you can take your x values and you can either add or subtract some number a. It says you can take your y values and either add or subtract some number b. Okay, what I think was throwing you guys off, this word here, integer, that just means a number. So if I'm adding a positive number, right, if I have an example like x plus 3, y plus 4, this is going right 3 and up 4. So that means the positive direction is when we either go right or up, okay? Which means my negative, so if I have the same example, but now I'm subtracting 3 from x and I'm subtracting 4 from y, that's going to go left 3 or down 4. So my negative integers, or my negative numbers, that's when we're going left or down. All right, so please feel free to reach out to me anytime you guys have questions. All right, good luck with your online learning, and I can't wait to hear how you guys are doing with this.